Hi, I'm Doug Price. I'm here with Media Resources. I'm at InfoComm 2025, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about our product. This product you see in front of me is a cabinet system. We call it our TruVIEW2 cabinet system. I'll talk through a couple of features of this. One of the important features of this is you'll notice there are no screws to take this hub board off, okay? This hub board is held on. It's held on with a spring-loaded quick turn latch system, so that if you need to get back and replace a power supply and or I got one more latch here, and or the receive card which is on the back, then you can do that very easily without any special tools. The reason the receive card is on the back, if you'll see here, we've extruded the cabinet forward, and that allows the heat from the receive card and the power supplies to go to the back of the cabinet. And then when you replace this hub and or receive card, it's just as simple as putting these switches, these twist locks back in place. Boy, I can't do it. That's okay. And on the back, you will notice that there are extra fins that'll actually enable for heat to transfer easily to take the heat away from the cabinet. The other things that are on here that are important are the connectors, higher end connectors, as well as positive locking power connectors. For more information, come see us at www.mediaresources.com.